Ever found yourself staring at your GrabPay balance, wondering, wait, is this actually my money, or am I borrowing it? You're not alone. In a world of digital wallets and seamless transactions, the line between credit and debit can get seriously blurry. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of GrabPay to finally answer that burning question, is GrabPay a credit or debit card? Let's start with the basics. Imagine you're at a hawker stall, ready to pay for that delicious plate of char kway teow. You whip out your phone, tap your GrabPay, and boom, payment successful. But where did that money come from? Did it magically appear, or was it already sitting in your digital wallet? To understand this, we need to distinguish between credit and debit. A debit card is directly linked to your bank account. When you use it, the money is immediately deducted from your available balance. Think of it as spending your own savings. Credit cards, on the other hand, let you borrow money from the issuer. You spend now and pay later, often with interest if you don't settle your dues within the grace period. Now, let's bring it back to GrabPay. GrabPay, at its core, functions as a digital wallet. You top up your GrabPay balance using various methods, like linking your bank account or credit card. Once the money is in your GrabPay wallet, it's yours to spend. This is a crucial point, the money is preloaded. So, when you pay for that char kway teow, you're essentially using money that you've already deposited into your GrabPay account. This makes GrabPay, in its primary function, more akin to a debit card or a prepaid wallet. You're spending your own money, not borrowing it. However, things get a bit more nuanced when we consider GrabPay's linked services and potential features. Grab offers a linked MasterCard, often called the GrabPay MasterCard. This card, when linked to your GrabPay wallet, allows you to spend your GrabPay balance at any merchant that accepts MasterCard. In this context, it still functions as a debit card, drawing from your preloaded GrabPay balance. But, and here's the crucial part, Grab also offers lending products and potentially credit-related features within their ecosystem. These can include things like pay later options or personal loans. These specific services would be considered credit, as you are borrowing funds. However, these are separate features from the core GrabPay wallet function. Therefore, to answer the initial question directly, GrabPay, in its standard wallet function, is primarily a debit-like service. You are spending your own preloaded funds. The linked MasterCard also operates on the debit principle, drawing from your wallet. Any lending or credit-based features are distinct and should be treated separately. Think of it like this, your physical wallet is like your GrabPay wallet. You put cash in it, and you spend that cash. That's debit. If you take out a loan from a bank, that's credit. GrabPay can act like your physical wallet, but it also has the potential for loan-like features. It's important to always check the terms and conditions of any financial service you use, especially within the ever-evolving landscape of digital payments. Knowing exactly how your money is being used is crucial for responsible financial management. Understanding the difference between credit and debit is essential in navigating the world of digital finance. It allows you to make informed decisions about your spending and avoid unexpected fees or interest charges. By understanding the core function of GrabPay as a preloaded wallet, you can use it effectively and confidently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.